All right, guys. It is October 10th, and I've got the German Bund up here, and I just wanted to go over quickly a couple of things. Number one, the institutional levels, right? This is the open right here for today, all right? So we came down to this line in the sand, ran up to the institutional level, and tested it once, twice, 3 times, and then what happened? Decline. This is the other thing I want to cover on the institutional level. Do you think this validates this institutional level right here, all of this action in here? And I'm going to tell you why. You think it's coincidental that we had all this red and green in through here? I mean, this was, look at this side of the chart, and now look at this side of the chart. And relative to either of those sides, where was all the action? Right in the institutional level area. So it is not a coincidence that they were fighting it out here. And we came back up to it, right? And then we had another slam. So you need to be watching those institutional levels because they will give you awesome opportunities. What ended up happening once we came back down here? What did we do? We tested that institutional level once, twice, and then a decline. So remember too that these levels are on the chart way before any of this price action occurs. So they are probably one of the best tools that you can use if this is your style of trading, as far as the footprint, the profile, the filtering, and order flow. So that's all I really wanted to go over was the institutional levels, how well they work. And, you can see these lines in the sand too, right? Where'd we stop? Right there. We came down the institutional level and we paused. Then we broke lower. Came back up to the institutional level. Then we chopped around where all these longs were put on. Now we've come down to where there were a boatload of longs that were put on, and we've stopped. So the question now is this a bounce? Or are we going to just crash right through that like it is butter? And that is going to be answered dependent upon what other markets do. Don't forget, today is Columbus Day, so it's going to be a little slower because the bankers are sitting home counting their money. But, just basically I want to show you these lines in the sand and how they over and over and over and over again, especially in the Bund. The Bund is just incredible to adhering to these specific levels. All right. Hope you guys are having a good trading day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Oh, by the way, 1, 2, 3 strikes. You're out. Later.